Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th of February, 2025, our system has identified Rigetti Computing as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.96. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a loss of 35.76%. This amounts to an average daily loss of 1.63% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock currently resides in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are anticipated within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 15.37% over the next 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between negative 70.71% and 84.29%. When we consider the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a change of 103.87%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 17.52% to 457.87% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $9.46 and $44.91. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing features the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for Rigetti Computing Inc. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, the stock price of Rigetti Computing Inc. increased by 1.77%, rising from $7.91 to $8.05. Throughout the trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 9.25%, with a low of $7.57 and a high of $8.27. While the price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, it remains down by 10.85% for this period. Notably, volume decreased on the last day by 15 million shares, with a total of 46 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $373,400,000. It's important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate a divergence, potentially signaling changes in the near future. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $21.42, while the lowest was 66 cents. Currently, the stock price is 62.42%, or $13.37, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing has recently made headlines following its fourth quarter earnings report released on the 5th of March 2025. The company reported a quarterly loss of 8 cents per share, which met expectations but missed revenue targets. Despite these challenges, Rigetti's stock saw a notable increase of 14% after the earnings announcement, indicating investor optimism around its future potential. The financial foundation of Rigetti appears to be strengthening, as it reported improved liquidity with $217 million in reserves and a crucial $250 million commitment from Quanta Computer, aimed at supporting its research and development for the next few years. However, the earnings call revealed a dual narrative. While liquidity is strong, the company faces significant competition in the rapidly evolving quantum computing sector. Analysts warn that despite the potential for innovation and growth, Rigetti's current reliance on speculative investments might pose risks, especially during economic downturns. As competition intensifies, maintaining revenue growth will be vital for long-term investor confidence. In the short term, the recent uptick in stock price reflects investor eagerness to capitalize on Rigetti's prospects in quantum computing. Still, uncertainty looms regarding its ability to achieve sustainable revenue growth, particularly given the stark challenges of achieving scalability in its quantum systems. Investors will be keeping a close eye on future earnings performance and market position to gauge Rigetti's trajectory moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, B. Riley also assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, Craig Hallam gave RGTI a buy rating with an initiate action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, Needham assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, B. Riley again assigned RGTI a buy rating with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to Rigetti Computing stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell rating. Regarding return on investment, analysts have determined that the stock warrants a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, potentially serving as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Several negative signals have emerged, which may influence its near-term development. Rigetti Computing, Inc. holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, leading to a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal is present due to the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $8.22 and $11.16. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 2nd, 2025, and to date, the stock has declined by 59.75%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, observed 46 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 99 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, identified 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, recorded 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long-term moving averages indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, sell signal, noted 21 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, observed 99 days ago. The relationship between the short and long-term moving averages reflected a buy signal 92 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $7.47 and $7.16. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If this level is breached, the stock could potentially decline to the next support level. In the case of Rigetti Computing Incorporated, support is identified just below today's position at $7.47. Should this level be broken, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $7.16 and $6.05. The stock may exhibit significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 70 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 9.25%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 16.06%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. It's important to note that even established companies can encounter downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest ongoing profitability issues and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on May 8, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are projecting a loss of 6 cents per share. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $8.43. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this might be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing faces its first support level at $7.47. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from various analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of December, 2024, Johnson Rayot executed an insider purchase of 98,373 shares of common stock. On the same day, Johnson Rayot also conducted an insider sale of 98,373 shares of stock option, which is the right to buy. On the 10th of December, 2024, Clifton Michael S. performed an insider sale of 125,000 shares of common stock. Just a day earlier, on the 9th of December, Clifton Michael S. executed another insider sale of 125,000 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 6th of December, 2024, Clifton Michael S. sold 125,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 2.211. Overall, insiders bought 7,940,549 shares and sold 4,456,636 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Rigetti Computing Inc. currently shows several negative signals and is situated within a very wide and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will likely continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Our evaluation of this stock remains negative. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 12th of March, we expect Rigetti Computing to open lower by approximately 8 cents and commence trading at $7.96. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.